Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 6 essential techniques for mastering financial modeling and forecasting. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Mastering financial modeling and forecasting is essential for effective financial analysis and decision making. Here are 6 essential techniques to enhance your skills. 1. Understand the basics. Start with a solid foundation in accounting and finance principles. Familiarize yourself with financial statements, key metrics, and financial concepts to build robust models. 2. Use Excel efficiently. Excel is the primary tool for financial modeling. Learn advanced functions, shortcuts, and data visualization techniques to streamline your modeling process and improve accuracy. 3. Create dynamic models. Incorporate flexible structures that allow for scenario analysis. Use assumptions and drivers to create dynamic models that can easily adapt to changing variables. 4. Validate your models. Regularly check your model's accuracy by backtesting against historical data. Ensure that your assumptions are realistic and align with market conditions. 5. Incorporate sensitivity analysis. Perform sensitivity analysis to understand how changes in key assumptions impact outcomes. This technique helps identify critical drivers and assess risk. 6. Communicate effectively. Present your findings clearly and concisely. Use visuals, such as charts and graphs, to enhance understanding and facilitate discussions with stakeholders. Conclusion: implementing these techniques will significantly improve your financial modeling and forecasting capabilities, leading to better decision-making. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.